everyone, welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here, I hope you're all well. Thanks for joining me again today. Just a quick short video because, as you know, we've got to give the results for the Alice in Wonderland journal giveaway. Before I go into that though, I just want to recap with you all in case you missed the video the other day. We do have a new kit out. It is a collaboration kit with Natalie from Line Arrow. Half of the kit is in my Etsy store, the other half of the kit is in her Etsy store. Both the links will be in the description box of this video below, but it'd be great if you could check it out. We have also got a challenge running with this kit, so if you want to take part in the challenge, go over to our Facebook groups and check that out. Information is all here, but there will be a giveaway then at the end of that challenge. So yeah, definitely go and check out the new kit because it's lush. Okay, so we've got Alice in Wonderland. So before I announce who's won, I just want to say a huge, massive thank you to you all, to all the subscribers and for you all watching and helping us get our watch hours that we needed. We're really grateful because we wouldn't be here and be able to do this without any of you guys. So a massive thank you to you all. I did the draw on the software that ran the competition. I couldn't do it live on the camera because it shows the winner's email address, and obviously that's a big no-no. But I would just like to say, drum roll please, the winner is Phyllis Joseph. So Phyllis, if you could drop me an email, my email will be in the description box below, or on Facebook drop me a messenger message and give me your address and we will get this packaged up. Bella and I are going to sign it this afternoon for you, and then we will get that packaged up and off to you very, very soon. Thank you ever so much everybody for all your support with the interactive journal series. We really enjoyed it and I hope you did as well, and I'll be back with you soon with another video. Take care now, bye.